Last year, my uncle did transplant surgery at DHI Delhi, and when I saw his result, I was quite happy and surprised that this also can be achieved. My name is Vasu Shimanker, and I came from Gujarat. I started losing hair about 6 to 7 years ago, which started making me very conscious throughout my journey since now. So I also underwent a transplant surgery last year in London, which also wasn't quite successful. I wasn't still quite happy with the result and my hair. So I came here and consulted with the whole team, and the whole team was quite helpful, and they made sure that I was informed of every step and the procedure. So I did my transplant a few days ago over here, and the whole team was quite helpful and super supportive, and they made sure the surgery that was performed by the highly qualified doctors was very exceptional, and the whole procedure was quite painless, and also the aftercare that they are taking right now. So if anyone is thinking about doing transplant, I would highly recommend it to do it over here at DHI. Thank you, DHI.